guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see on the title, we're going to be doing an unboxing for my new Teddy Blake handbag that I got in the mail. I believe it was last week. So yeah, I have been wanting to open this bag, but I wanted to do it on camera. I wanted to be a true unboxing, so therefore I didn't open it yet. I opened the box, but I have not touched the bag or seen the bag. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie and I love doing home decor, lifestyle, fashion videos, makeup videos here and there. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a video. But anyways, let's jump right into it. Before we do the unboxing, I want to do a little quick review of my previous two Teddy Blake handbags, and I'll just go over how long I've been having it and just a little quick update so that you guys get to see it, the wear and tear and all that good stuff. So I just finished filming this video and I noticed that my button was open the whole time, so I was like flashing you guys and I didn't even know. So I'm gonna do a recap. Good thing I caught it before we did the unboxing on the bag, but I'm gonna go over what I just went over that you guys will not see. But anyways, so I'm going to show you guys my Gemma. This is my second Teddy Blake handbag that I have. This is the Tote. I got it a couple months ago. It's very practical. This is how it looks like. This is the wear and tear so far. You can see that it's pretty good. Honestly, I don't think there is anything wrong with it. And this is how the handles look. It looks pretty good. I love this bag. It's very lightweight. It's easy to carry. I use it for a lot of things. I'm always wearing this bag. Well, either I have this one or I have another one that is really small. I've been using my Antigona as well, which it's really good because I don't really use that bag. I showed it to my mom and she really liked it. She loved the suede. She loved the texture of it. She thought it was really comfortable. So yeah, that's one of the things that I like a lot. Right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a little scratch, and that was Leo. He did that. I wasn't too happy about that, but it's okay. I mean, it's a bag. You're gonna use it and it's gonna get scratched. But yeah, so that's how it's been holding, and you can fit a lot of stuff. If you're a mommy, I highly recommend the Gemma. It is a really nice tote. Oh, let's make sure everything's buttoned and I'm not flashing anyone. But yeah, you guys, so the next Teddy Blake handbag that I have, it is the Caty. I believe it's 12 inches, and this is how it looks like. This was my first Teddy Blake handbag and I love it. It is in the hardware silver and it comes with a little lock. Where did I put the lock? Ooh, where did I put the lock? Oh, I don't know where I put the lock. I had the lock earlier, but like I said, I was flashing you guys and I had to redo this part. I took this back to Belize in Guatemala when my husband and I when we did our gender reveal for Athena, or the announcement that we were gonna have another baby. And I took this bag with me. It was very practical. It comes with a strap. You can remove the strap or you can leave it on. All Teddy Blake handbags are made in Italy and they're 100% leather. It is a really nice handbag. All of them. I mean, honestly, my expectation for this bag that we're gonna unbox, it's high because I know their bags are gorgeous and I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm almost ready. Are you guys ready? I hope you guys are ready and enjoying this video. I will have all these items in the description box if you guys are interested in checking them out. Everything will be listed down below. I'm also gonna have a discount code for you guys to save a little money if you decide to purchase any of these bags that I'm showing you. I keep looking over there because she's over there. But yeah, and I love the fact that they're very neutral. I picked the colors neutral because I do wear a lot of browns and oranges, and I don't know, that's just my color, you guys. I'm a warm girl. So the bags that I picked are very warm. When you have the strap, this is how it looks like. Just like that. So it is really nice. I like that. Okay, this is probably the nicest dupe that you will find for the Hermes. It is not a replica, and I know we talked about this before. It is not a replica. It is a dupe. If you see them side by side, you can see that they're pretty warm. They're warm bags. That's what I call them. But anyways, let's move on and open our new handbag. I'm so excited, you guys. I have not seen it yet. So if you purchase any of the Teddy Blake handbags, this is how it's gonna come in a box that says Teddy Blake. And you open it up. This is what I did so far, you guys. It comes with a paper that says the style, the size, and your information. Alright, you guys, so this is the handbag. I have a thing for handbags and also shoes, you guys. I love shoes. I love handbags. I love a lot of things, but shoes and handbags are like my weakness. And alright, let's see how this beautiful bag looks. It kind of gets bright in this room, but okay, we got that out of the way. And now let's see how this looks. I'm really excited, you guys. I have not seen it, so we're gonna see it together. Okay, are you ready? Am I recording? Oh yes, I am recording. Just making sure. Alright, you guys, this is my new Teddy Blake handbag. Wow. Wow, it is so pretty. We have a problem. Yes, I'm gonna say it. I want it in black and in beige. Yep, I said it. It is so pretty, you guys. I'm gonna do a close-up. Look at this bag. Wow. Honestly, gold hardware is the way to go. That's for sure. I personally love gold hardware, although I don't have many gold hardware handbags. Oh my god, it's stunning. I'm like speechless. Wow, it's such a pretty bag. This is how the bottom looks, you guys. Here it says it's made in Italy. All Teddy Blake handbags are made in Italy. It looks very luxurious. Imagine this bag in this color. Oh my god, it would be so pretty. Okay, let's open her up and see what is inside. Okay, so this is, I want to say this is a dupe of the Kelly by Hermes. It is a dupe, you guys, not a replica. And I always say that about this handbags by Teddy Blake, because I do not wear replicas. I love buying dupes, things that I cannot afford at the moment that are like the real deal. But if there's a dupe that is affordable, good quality, I am all over it. My husband already knows that I love dupes, and we talked about that before. He didn't understand at first what it was a dupe, and I had to explain to him. It's an inspired bag. It is not a replica. It does not claim to be Hermes. It doesn't say Hermes on the top or anywhere. And I'm sure if I was holding a Kelly right side by side, I could see the difference. But it's an inspired handbag. I can tell you that the hardware is gorgeous. I am so interested to see how that's gonna go. The silver ones, as you can see, it looks intact, and it's been over a year. So I don't know, like I said, I don't own that many gold hardware. Very interested to see how it's gonna go. Alright, you guys, and this is how the inside looks. It comes with a little dust bag, and this is how the dust bag looks. And here we have the strap with a little lock. Tissue, 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 and more tissue. It feels like it's suede. I'll show you guys the inside. And right here, inside, I want to say, it says Teddy Blake. Yep. And then it has a zipper. And then inside comes with a little car. This says Teddy Blake. Now I want to check out the strap and the lock. So let's open this up. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about Teddy Blake? Have you purchased any Teddy Blake handbags before? What are your thoughts? And like I said, you guys, honestly I love the brand, and that's the reason why I keep working with them, because they're amazing. And I'm not just saying that just because they're sending me the bags. I truly believe in their product, and that's the reason why I am filming this video. I only like doing videos that I truly believe in the brand. So if I don't believe in the brand, if it's not my taste or my style, you will not be seeing it here. That's just how it is. So if you see a lot of repeated videos with different like items, different colors, different styles, but the same brand, that really means that I enjoy it. And I was really excited that Teddy Blake gave me the opportunity to work with them once again. I honestly love their product 100%, and I'm not just saying that just to say it. I mean it, you guys. But anyways, so trust me, sometimes I am very passionate about certain things, and I'm a really honest person, you guys. That's like my #1 thing. I teach my kids to be honest. Honesty is like a big deal for me. It is gorgeous. The quality is so nice. It looks expensive. I can't wait to show it to my husband. Oh my god, this little lock right here, it just is everything. I love having my lock right here. And over here you have the key. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it, to be honest. I haven't thought about it yet. I feel like $1,000,000 when I wear this bag, for sure. And I do want it in a color black, like I said, and also beige. I can see myself owning those two. Yep. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna wear the bag. I'm not sure. Like, to be honest, I don't know, because I like the lock right here, but if I put it there, I'm not gonna be able to open it. I don't know. And I think I'm gonna put that one back here. Oh my, it is gorgeous. It is the perfect size, and it's perfect for summer and also fall. I mean, honestly, for the whole year, I say this color is pretty. Let me see, what can I pair this with? I'm trying to see. Ooh, I just got an idea. Let me show you. I know I always like showing you guys how I would style something, but I never actually like put it on. So I'm like, okay, this time I have to put it on, take some pictures so that you guys can see it. What do you think? Oh my god, I am so happy right now, like you have no idea. And honestly, I'm not overreacting. I'm just so happy. Like, this brings me happiness. If I could recommend a bag from Teddy Blake, honestly, it's gonna have to be this one. I own 2 of them already, but my favorite, it's right here. I found the perfect combination for this handbag, and I'm honestly head over heels, you guys. This is perfect. I cannot tell you how much I enjoy this bag, and I haven't even worn it yet. It's one of those things that you just know you're gonna love, and it's really light too, you guys. It's not like heavy or nothing like that. But this bag right here, this is perfect if you're a mommy on the go, if you have a bunch of little ones that you have to take care of, have snacks. I highly recommend this one. This right here, it's a little bit more dressy, and it's a fancier bag. I honestly lean more towards this. If I can give Teddy Blake advice on what I think they should work on next, I'm not a pro, but it's just my opinion. I think having like a collection of straps, that would be really good to personalize each of the bag, to give it more of a personal touch. I think that would be great. I mean, I like the strap that it comes with, but I can see if they have like different patterns, different colors, maybe materials. That would be great, because you can also wear it or use it on the Caty if it comes down to it. So yeah, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review slash unboxing of all my Teddy Blake handbags, and I can guarantee you that this is not my last. I am obsessed with this bag, that I cannot wait to have it in black and also in this color. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this true unboxing with me. I couldn't be any happier, you guys, with this handbag, and I'm gonna take some pictures with it. I don't know, not right now. Honestly, I don't have time right now, but I will take some pictures this week and post them on Instagram and give you guys some ideas of how to wear this bag. And like I said, it's perfect for fall too. This color is gorgeous. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! Okay, you guys, this is gonna go on my extras, and as you can see on the title, I am gonna be doing a giveaway, and this is something that I just decided to do randomly right now. I am so happy with the new bag that I decided I'm gonna give you guys this bag. One lucky winner is gonna win this bag, and also this beautiful earrings that have been sitting right there on my accessories. And they're brand new, you guys. I haven't even tried them on, and I just want to give it to you guys because I'm so happy that Teddy Blake sent me that bag that I figured, why not? I have another new bag. I want to share it with someone. All you have to do is comment down below and just let me know what you think about the bag, and put a little green heart so that way I know that you're entering this giveaway. And I will be announcing the winner on September 3rd, Labor Day, and along with these earrings. And yeah, so just be sure to be subscribed into my channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment down below. Super simple. And I will announce it on Monday. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.